Hello friends, I welcome you to my channel Learn with Pharmacy. In today's video, we will see some important questions of Organic Chemistry 2 from 2nd SEM. So without wasting time, we will start with our first question. So describe E1 and E2 reaction with mechanism. Second question, define hybridization and explain sp3 and sp2 hybridization in detail with example. Third question is explain reaction mechanism. In that you have to explain the reaction and mechanism of Cannizzaro reaction, Perkin reaction, aldol condensation reaction and benzoin condensation reaction. Fourth question, define structural isomerism and its type with its example. Fifth question, discuss method of preparation of alcohol and reaction of alcohol and discuss the qualitative test for alcohol. Moving to the next question, define organic compound and explain the classification of organic compound. Seventh question is you have to write short definitions of carboxylic acid, nucleophilic addition and nucleophilic substitution and elimination reaction. Eighth question is explain Diels-Alder reaction with its mechanism. Next question is define dienes and classify them with suitable examples. 10th question is write a note on acidity of carboxylic acid. Next, describe SN1 and SN2 reaction with mechanism. Then 12th question, write down the mechanism of halogenation of alkane with factor affecting on halogenation. 13th question is discuss Marconics of rule and anti-Marconics rule. Next question is explain ozonolysis reaction and discuss the mechanism of ozonolysis reaction. 15th question is you have to explain some 4-5 uses of paraffins. 16th question is, and the last question, describe rule governing IUPAC, Indian Pure Applied Chemistry, Indian Union of Pure Applied Chemistry nomenclature of organic compound with its example. Then we will see its solutions. So in this you have to define elimination reaction and then you have to explain classification of elimination reaction that are alpha elimination, that is also known as 1,1 elimination, beta elimination, that is also known as 1,2 elimination, and third gamma elimination, that is also known as 1,3 elimination. So if there will be question explain 1,3 reaction, so don't be confused between gamma elimination and 1,3, both the terms are same. So you have to classify them in short with example. Then next you have to write the mechanism of E1 elimination reaction. So it involves 2 steps, formation of carbocations and loss of proton. Then same you have to explain mechanism of E2 reaction also. So next question, second question is in that you have to define hybridization. What is hybridization? Then explain sp3 hybridization of alkane. In that 3 stages are there that you have to write in short. Most of the time it is asked in exam. So energy level diagram also you have to remember and draw in exam. Okay, so same explain sp2 hybridization. Then next you have to explain Cannizaro's reaction with its mechanism. Same, you have to also explain Parkinson reaction with its mechanism. Next is aldol condensation. You have to explain it with its mechanism. Then cross aldol condensation reaction. It is not asked in exam, but in some old question paper most of the time it is asked, so I have also involved cross aldol condensation in short. So same, next question, benzoin condensation reaction with its mechanism you have to explain. This is very important question. Define isomers. Explain structural isomerism. And structural isomerism is classified into 6 types. That 6 types you have to explain: chain isomerism and its example, positional isomerism, its example, functional isomerism with its example, metamerism and tautomerism, and ring chain isomerism with its example you have to explain. It will be definitely in your exam. So next question is method of preparation of alcohol. So some 5 methods we have involved of preparation of alcohol that we have to explain in detail. Okay, so define alcohol. Then next is reaction of alcohol. 3 reactions are there: cleavage of OH bond, cleavage of COH bond, and cleavage of OH and COH bond. This you have to explain. Then next question, that is explain the qualitative test for alcohol. That you have to explain: Victor-Myers test, Lucas test, sodium metal test. These are some 3 basic steps that you have to explain. Then next question is define organic compound, classify organic compound. Most important question, you have to classify this organic compound with its example. So 7th question, that is definitions. So you have to define carboxylic acid, nucleophilic addition, nucleophilic substitution in elimination reaction. It will be asked for 2 marks. Define those terms, so you have to do that. So next question, that is Diels-Alder reaction with its mechanism. You have to explain. 2-step mechanism. Then next question, that is what are dienes. You have to define dienes with example. and then classification of dienes. So you have to classify dienes. Okay, so they are isolated dienes, and that are also known as non-conjugated dienes, second conjugated dienes, and cumulated dienes. These are three classification of dienes. With example you have to explain it. Then next question, that is very important: acidity of carboxylic acid. You have to write a short note on it. This is also very important. Discuss the effect of substitution on the acidity of carboxylic acid. Then next question, that is SN1 reaction with its mechanism. Then you have to also explain energy profile diagram in SN1, stereochemistry of SN1. Then next question, that is explain SN2 reaction with its mechanism. In that also same like SN1, you have to discuss its mechanism, energy profile diagram, and stereochemistry of SN2. Okay, so next question is that discuss mechanism of halogenation of alkane and free radical substitution, and discuss the mechanism of chlorination of methane. This also you have to write with its mechanism. Factor affecting halogenation of alkane. Then next, this is very important: explain Marconi's rule with mechanism. You have to explain in detail. Also explain anti-Marconi's of rule with its mechanism. So next question, that is what is ozonolysis, and discuss its mechanism. Next short question is there: discuss the uses of paraffins. Then next question, that is IUPAC nomenclature system of organic compound, that is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. You have to also discuss its rule for IUPAC. So here we have ended the important questions session. So I will try to attach the PDF in description, so check the description box for PDF notes. Thank you, and subscribe to our channel Learn with Pharmacy for more videos.